Hey everyone, it's your girl Key, and thanks for getting locked in with Key. In today's video, I am going to be doing Cardi B's avocado mask. So if you want to see that recipe, stay tuned. Let's go. So in today's video, I am going to be sharing the avocado mask, and it's inspired by Cardi B. Recently, Cardi B uploaded a post and she was just showing her hair and how long her hair is and how healthy her hair is. And this mask that she uses in Culture's hair. It reminded me of the mask that I use all the time. I use a banana mask and it really helps my hair. As everybody can, anybody that watched my channel before knows that I tried the rice water and that just dried out my hair a lot. So I'm still in the process of growing my hair, so I was like, I might as well come on and show everybody the avocado mask. I do the same process as Cardi B, however I add grape seed oil and I don't use avocado. So I was like, I might as well do the avocado and just add my grapeseed oil. So we have the same type of routine. So as you can see, I already covered my hair in the avocado mask, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I make the avocado mask. There's no rules, no regulations, and just have fun with it. But it really puts a lot of it makes your texture stand out. It also promotes growth, and it really helps me with my hair because my hair is like, it got really dry because of that rice water. So I've been doing banana masks in order to help my hair and promote it from not being so dry. However, it really helps with my damage and all of that. But let's go ahead and jump into this recipe. Let's go. For this recipe, you're going to need black castor oil, grapeseed oil, and that is an option, argan oil, avocado, eggs, honey, mayo, extra virgin olive oil, and a banana. Just to let you know, you only need one avocado. That's right, one is enough. All right, first I'm going to cut my avocados and then I'm going to peel them. And I like to use my NutriBullet to do any of my mixes because it's faster. So I might as well just upload all the ingredients into the mixing jar. So I cut my banana and I break it into two parts. And yes, this is a bad banana, but it works because it wasn't that bad. I wasn't eating it. Then I go ahead and I pour in my honey. You don't really have to measure it, just eye it. I really didn't want it too sticky, so I only did a little. Here I entered in my 2 eggs. And then I go ahead and pour in some of my argan oil. Now, I just want to let you know, it's not no certain way or certain order you have to put everything in. Just make sure it's in there. Now, this is my Jamaican castor oil. That helps with hair growth. So I'll pour a lot of that in there because I want it to sit into my hair. Then I do like 2 scoops of mayo, but it just depends on you how thick you want your mask. Here I'm pouring in the virgin olive oil, the grapeseed oil, and then I clean up and get ready to mix it all together in the blender. So I just wanted to show you what it looks like after you mix it all together in the consistency that you're supposed to see. So I like to use a hair bowl that I use predominantly for any hair products, any masks. So I just pour everything into my hair bowl so I can apply it to my hair and get the NutriBullet jar cleaned all out. I like my hair mask to be thick, so it's up to you the consistency, but this is it. So after applying, I allow it to sit, and it's up to you how long you want it to sit. I let it sit for a good 4 to 5 hours, but I'm about to do some homework. After that, I'll come back and show you guys the results. All right, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. Clearly, this is the next day. So I was washing my hair so I could get it braided. So I just want to come and let you all know how I felt about the avocado mask. I really liked the avocado mask. I kept it in my hair for at least 6 hours. It really truly defined my curl pattern. Before I blow dry my hair, it literally, like, my curl pattern was definitely defined. It was very, very curly. And once I blew it dry, my hair was shiny. It was oily without putting too much into my hair. Therefore, it was a great review. For me, I love it. I'm definitely going to use it again. So if you would like to try it, make sure you let me know your results. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and share it with your friends, comment down below, and click that notification bell. Never forget to subscribe and join the Key Squad. As always, remember to stay safe, sane, and sanitized. Love you all.